I'm going to be honest. Most people use Temu completely wrong. They open the app, buy random stuff, maybe apply a small coupon at checkout and think they saved money. Meanwhile, other people are getting bigger discounts, stacked coupon deals, and free gift rewards at the same time. That's when I realized something. Temu isn't really about finding one good coupon. It's about entering the app the right way before you start shopping. Because the first time I tried this normally, the discounts were honestly average, nothing crazy. But the second I used the code on screen first, before browsing anything, the app suddenly started pushing way better offers. I'm talking bundle discounts, extra coupon stacks, free gift progress, even limited time deals that weren't there before. And that's the part most people completely miss. They wait until checkout to use the code. Way too late. By then, the app already decided what offers you're getting. Now, whenever I use Temu, I do the exact opposite. First, enter through the promotion. Second, use the code on screen immediately. Then, start browsing. And honestly, the difference is obvious. The app feels more aggressive with deals, more rewards appear, and the discounts actually start feeling worth it. That's why some people save almost nothing, while others somehow keep unlocking better offers over and over again. They're not shopping the same way. Now, obviously, not every deal is going to be massive, and not every reward is insane. But if you're not using the code early, you're probably leaving the best offers on the table without realizing it. Try it that way once and tell me, did your offers instantly look better or exactly the same?